In today's video, I will cover how to pair Technics EAH-AZ80 to a smartphone. These earbuds come with 7 different earpiece sizes ranging from extra small to extra large in order to ensure the best fit for everyone's ear shape and to make sure the earbuds are seated properly within the ear. The medium earpieces are already attached to the earbuds. First, you have to remove the earbuds from the charging cradle. Make sure you have them charged for at least 4 hours for optimal battery time. Then you will wear the earbuds securely in each ear within 5 seconds of removing from the charging case. Once placed in the ear, you will hear the word pairing, followed by a chime signaling the pairing mode. Then you go on your smartphone. I will be using my iPhone. You go to the settings, then Bluetooth. The name Technics EAH-AZ80 will be displayed under Bluetooth devices. Select Technics EAH-AZ80 to pair with your smartphone. Once the earbuds are connected to the smartphone, the earbuds will announce the word connected, indicating that you have successfully paired the earbuds to the smartphone. Now I will show how to pair a second device to the Technics EAH-AZ80 earbuds. The first step is to remove the earbuds from the charging cradle. You will wear both earbuds securely in each ear and wait 5 seconds. Then you will have to press and hold both left and right touch sensors on the earbuds until you hear the word pairing, which is approximately 5 to 7 seconds, which is followed by a chime signaling the pairing mode. Then you go to the second device you will be pairing with. I will be using my MacBook Pro. You then go to System Settings, then Bluetooth. The name Technics EAH-AZ80 will be displayed under Bluetooth devices. Select Technics EAH-AZ80 to pair with your second Bluetooth device. Once the earbuds are connected to the second device, the earbuds will announce the word connected, indicating that you have successfully paired the devices. Don't forget to install the Technics Audio Connect app for more functions and controls.